Thinking about using Balabolka in 2025? Hold on, because you need to know a few things before you dive in. Balabolka is a free text-to-speech software that's been around for a while, and honestly, it's still a hidden gem in 2025. What makes it stand out is its flexibility. It supports a wide range of file formats, from docx to PDF to EPUB, and even plain text. The best part? You can use any speech engine installed on your computer, meaning you're not stuck with robotic-sounding voices. Plus, you can adjust pitch, speed, and pronunciation, which makes it way more customizable than a lot of free alternatives. But here's the catch. Balabolka's interface looks a bit old school, and if you're looking for something sleek and cloud-based like Speechify, it might feel a little clunky. It's a desktop application, so you'll need to install it, and it doesn't have the convenience of browser extensions or mobile apps like some competitors. However, if you want a free, powerful, and highly adjustable TDS tool, and you don't mind the data design, Balabolka still holds its ground in 2025. So should you use it? If you're on a budget and need something reliable with lots of voice options, Balabolka is absolutely worth trying. But if you prefer a more modern, cloud-based experience, you might want to explore other options first. That's the full scoop. If this helped, give it a like and stay tuned for more honest reviews.